That's what you do. You're the soul of so many things. Hear your voice in the birds who sing. There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed.
You're going to need onion powder, smoked paprika, chili powder, cayenne pepper, fresh garlic, half stick of butter, 6 lobster tails that's already chopped. Make sure that butter is hot before you add in your fresh garlic, and then add in all your other ingredients. Here, let me pour you a glass of wine. That way you can go ahead and kick up your feet and relax while I finish preparing your meal.
Come and take a walk with me. Challenge your wildest dreams. No more fear. Follow that shining star. Come with an open heart. I'm right here. I hear your every word, song of a mockingbird. Tells the truth. It's about time we met. I've been watching you over there. It's about time. When I feel so down and out, your love comes to raise me from all doubt. Yeah, lift up our very heads, comfort us suffering. That's what you do. You're the soul of so many things. Hear your voice in the birds who sing. I love you. Wanna tell you I'm on my way. I'm coming home today. And I hear you say
I'm going to set aside the cooked lobster and the sauce because both will be going into the mac and cheese. For my pasta, I'm going to be boiling my water, adding in a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to be cooking it for about 8 minutes. For our cheese sauce, we're going to need some cream cheese, smoked Gouda, Goat Gouda, Marieke Gouda, heavy whipping cream, a little bit more onion powder, chili powder, cayenne pepper, and a little bit more of that smoked paprika. So I'm going to go ahead and grate my cheese, make this sauce, and then put this in the oven for about 40 minutes, or at least until it's golden brown the way you like it. But while we're doing that, let me get you another glass of wine. We're almost done.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the wind, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? Treasure buried deeper with each loss, so filled with grief and catastrophic thoughts, insecurity, distorted flaws. It all gets heavy, sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure, I know when I don't know it, so I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, tickle me pink. Who knew that the brink of the end, life could begin? I know there's so much trauma, but try search inside my love. Carry the winds, drowned out the rain. It'll make sense after the pain. Will color me blue, then tickle me 'Cause who knew that at the brink of the end, life would begin again. Come and take a walk with me. Challenge your wildest dreams. No more fear. Follow that shining star. Come with an open heart. I'm right here. I hear your every word, song of a mockingbird. Tells the truth. It's about time we met. I've been watching you over there. It's about time. When I feel so down and out, your love comes to raise me from all doubt. Yeah, lift up our very heads, comfort us suffering. That's what you do. You're the soul